And welcome to another video. Now, today we're going to talk about the Anker PowerCore power bank. So this is the 20,000 milliampere one, the one I have. So, first of all, let's talk about the ports it has. So it has two USB-A ports here and here. It has quick charge, and to charge it, it's using a micro USB. So I think you can find one with USB-C. However, you're going to lose one of the USB-A ports, so that's something to bear in mind. It's a very minimalist kind of style. It has only one color, so only black. It's a big rectangle. On the other side there is nothing. And on the left side, nothing as well. And on this side, there's a button. So the button is to show the LEDs here. There are 4 LEDs. It's to turn them on. So here, it's 3/4 charged. So it's to see the charge, but it isn't used to turn it on. Only to charge your phone, all you need to do is plug your cable in, and it goes on automatically. It is a little heavy, so it's 368 grams, which is something to bear in mind. But I mean, if you keep it in your bag, it should be okay. It shouldn't be a problem for you. I mean, and it's really long lasting. So with 20,000 milliamp hour, I can charge my phone for 5 charges. So my phone has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. So so it can charge 5 times my phone, which is pretty impressive. And if you have, for example, an iPhone 7, you can charge it 7 times. And if you have like a Galaxy S8, I think, you can charge it about like 7 times around this. So you have a fair amount of times you can charge your phone with it. And with 2 USB-A ports, you can charge 2 at the same time, and it uses fast charging, so it'll be it will have a lot of speed of charging. So this is it for the power bank. It's a really short review. So it's price ranged about $30 to $35, which is a lot for but I guess it's okay it's kind of a lot for a power bank, but it's really powerful. It's not the kind of small ones you can use to charge one time your phone, and it even depends, sometimes you can't even charge it full. It's really good power bank. On Amazon it kind of changes, sometimes it's 30, sometimes 35, sometimes it goes under, it's variant. But overall it's a really good power bank. Should you buy it? Probably. I mean, with my phone I can stay up, it can last 1 day on the full charge in the morning, but I'll often keep it on me because I don't always charge it every day. So it's a good investment in my point of view. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content. If you have any ideas of videos or reviews you'd like me to make, post it in the comment section. I'll read it and probably reply. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you all in another video. Bye.